VIGOR Bag LLC, a trusted wholesale supplier serving government, institutional, and business customers. Based in Florence, South Carolina, we supply government agencies, school districts, and businesses across the United States and internationally. We compete on price, we deliver on time, and we stay fully compliant with every solicitation. Our range spans 3 core categories: textiles and soft goods, tablecloths, curtains, and custom bags, safety and rescue equipment, including airlift bag systems, and specialty custom items, sourced to your exact specification. Reasons: competitive pricing, full compliance with every specification, reliable domestic and international sourcing, and on-time delivery, every time. We're registered and ready to bid, federally established, SCEIS registered, and active on BidNet Direct, serving municipal governments, school districts, state agencies, and international buyers. VIGOR Bag LLC, your dependable wholesale partner. Contact us today for a quote. Call 843